Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Intel is a Fortune 500 company within the semiconductors industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 5.9%. Earnings growth, 18.1%. Earnings estimates, 3.38%. Return on capital, 17.02%. Debt to free cash flow, 22.64 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 3.24%. Payout ratio, 25.41%. Growth rate, 6.24%. Growth years, 19 years. That gives Intel the score, 8 out of 10. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at Intel for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Intel is modestly undervalued. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.